siku ya leo tuko na maadhimisho ya International Nurses Week ambayo inakuanga kila mwaka tarehe 6 mpaka tarehe 12 mwezi wa Mei. So leo tuko na sherehe wakati huu wa hii sherehe tunakuanga na sherehe mingi ya appreciate our nurses. Ile kazi ambayo wanafanya, wauguzi wanafanya kazi mingi sana ambayo wananchi labda hawajui. Kwa hivyo hii siku imetengwa, iko kando, ambayo tunasherekea hiyo kazi ambayo wauguzi wanafanya. Mnajua wauguzi ndio wanasalisha wamama, wauguzi ndio wanachanja watoto, wauguzi ndio wanapatia wamama family planning. Kwa hivyo siku ya leo ni siku muhimu sana kwetu kama nurses katika hii Masaba sub county na ulimwengu mzima.
So mpanga vipi?
Baada ya hapa tunataka kukua na procession. Tutatembea kwa barabara mpaka kwa market, tutaeleza wananchi ile kazi nurses wanafanya. Alafu baadaye tutakuja hapa ndani, tutakuwa na services ambazo zinaendelea, maternity services, mambo ya family planning, mambo ya MCH services. Tutakuwa tunapeana kina mama ambao tutaongea na wao huko kwa market na wananchi kwa jumla.
Kwa majina naitwa Faith Muturi. I am a nurse by profession from the theater department in the Keroka Sub-County Hospital. We are here to celebrate as nurses in this profession. Nursing is a noble profession, and it is a big profession that needs people who have big hearts to take care of the patients as they come when they are sick. And that is why we are here. In Masaba Sub-County and Keroka Sub-County Hospital at large, we are here as nurses devoted to take care of our patients, and wherever we have our patients around, our nurses are around in the support of our in-charge Onsongo and the deputy in-charge Mwenje. We're really happy because they are prepared for us this day to celebrate as nurses. We also want to thank our MOH and MedSoup, Dr. Sam, who has really made this function come true. We really appreciate so much, and everybody is welcomed in this function. We celebrate the nurses, and the people of the community of Keroka and Masaba at large are free to visit our facility to get the services that they need from the nursing department and all the departments of this sub-county hospital. All the departments are welcomed through our immediate boss, Mr. Onsongo. Thank you so much. We welcome you to the day as we go in. May God bless you all. Thank you.
Today is our day. I'm very happy because we are learning a lot from this hospital, and we promise to work hard. At the end of the day, we make our parents proud.
Nami kwa majina ni Bivo Numbers. Vile wenzangu na wakubwa wangu wamesema, leo ni siku ya wauguzi. Tunashukuru sana kwa kututembelea hivi, na tunaahidi kusukuma hii kazi. Mimi ni mwanafunzi ama student from Ram. Ningeomba pia wale wanafunzi wanatuangalia, they can join us. It's a good profession. Tusonge mbele. Asante.
Thank you so much. My name is Catherine Mwenja. I'm the deputy chief nurse, and this is a great day for nurses. We celebrate nurses, all the nurses all over the world. But now today we are having this celebration in Masaba North, and we welcome everybody and to join us, because nurses are very, very much essential people in giving services in the medical ground, and we welcome everybody. Then today we want to welcome all the community, our community from Keroka, that they get all the services here. Tunapeana services nyingi from inpatient, outpatient, MCH.
Samarieta Igonguru George Onsongo, nurses ase sub-county ya Masaba, na boy basenya gitari ya Masaba sub-county hospital, yiwe manyekane tumuna Keroka sub-county hospital. Ituko ya lero, ituko kinene sana ase abanyagitari bali bakora kuma nurses ase ensengima. ro ase rituko ria rero togosangiria rituko erio ase emeremeria abanyagitari bakoruka nurses bagokora ase ensenge. Igo rero no turi gaiga Masaba sub county hospital gose Keroka togoshangiria rituko erio togwakambia muno sana ase abananchi ba Keroka engima na Masaba noti engima no turi services toko mbechi nyinge ase na nurses so kerogo cha nyagitari no nurses na gokonyora ritangani ba gushugulikira akwira sumu nyagitari ukorikira mario kwagenda kwaewa mario gani nabo igo gogocha no en maternity no aba nurses na bwa bango konyororo ba shugira bangina banyora abana buya bagenda nkabuya nabo igo no ni clinic no konyora nurses no ko banyora abangi bagudumia abangina bachanja abana abangina baigwa amario gali abo bakwegwa yogotanga uruguru ngo amangana ara itogokora challenges inchiroro togotwara muna nurses sengi mano nonye Kenya yagima nurses mbabwate gasi nyinge sana bono iganto bwate challenge enene nurses yabange nkuru bare Kenya bakogenda chisiko nurses togo sabe serikali yaito enyare ko kolika nurses yabange gusaba Teresa abange gekora bono iga muchando tubwato monene mbaisaini bali bagosoka kuruchie MTC na abange bagosoka lakini abatubwate nyagitari barabake igo kome korosie meroberia ase nyagitari akoreke buya nurses bamentu abange chi county chirike nurses ekiagere mirimo ya nurses menge sana igo sabe serikali yaito enyare kurikaba nurses yabange challenges inchiroro togotwara muna nurses sengi mano nonye Kenya yagima nurses mbabwate gasi nyinge sana bono iganto bwate challenge enene nurses yabange nkuru bare Kenya bakogenda chisiko nurses togo sabe serikali yaito enyare ko kolika nurses yabange gusaba Teresa abange gekora bono iga muchando tubwato monene mbaisaini bali bagosoka kuruchie MTC na abange bagosoka lakini abatubwate nyagitari barabake igo kome korosie meroberia ase nyagitari akoreke buya nurses bamentu abange chi county chirike nurses ekiagere mirimo ya nurses menge sana igo sabe serikali yaito enyare kurikaba nurses yabange gekora bono iga muchando tubwato monene mbaisaini bali bagosoka kuruchie MTC na abange bagosoka lakini abatubwate nyagitari barabake igo kome korosie meroberia ase nyagitari akoreke buya nurses bamentu abange chi county chirike nurses ekiagere mirimo ya nurses menge sana igo sabe serikali yaito enyare kurikaba nurses yabange